Welcome back, guys. I got the front valance on the 83 now. The bottom, it wasn't there before, and I got both trucks kind of cleaned up. So now with the valance, you don't see the whole control arm set up underneath because it was pretty obvious. You were asking about the window banner. I printed that on the same vinyl as the stripe. So that green's not printed, the green is the actual vinyl, and I just printed a black on top of it. So it's not layered vinyl, it's just printed one time. Traction bars are coming off, it's getting dropped down another inch. It shows how clean it is. I don't know if I can get both. Well, that's a walk around without it running.